Redmond Re-Lyte is a clean, effective electrolyte replacement to hydrate your cells and keep your muscles working their best. Re-Lyte is formulated with Redmond Real Salt, which is a healthy, natural source of electrolytes, especially sodium and chloride. Re-Lyte was formulated by experts to include everything you need for optimal hydration. Electrolytes you'll find in Re-Lyte include sodium, potassium, calcium, chloride, and magnesium. Our flavored Re-Lyte also includes coconut water powder, stevia leaf extract, and natural flavors from fruit. Calcium is an electrolyte that supports healthy blood clotting and hormone balance. Chloride keeps your cells hydrated and helps maintain healthy blood volume and blood pressure levels. Magnesium supports muscle and nerve function and provides energy to your cells. Potassium is an essential electrolyte that supports healthy nerve, muscle, and heart function. And the sodium in Re-Lyte keeps your cells properly hydrated and supports healthy nerve and muscle function. Re-Lyte should be perfectly safe for pregnant and nursing women. In fact, it's probably a really handy tool to have around during this time in life. Re-Lyte was formulated for every body and everybody. Think of your body as an electrical machine, and the electrolytes found in Re-Lyte help to keep your cells hydrated and ready to do their job. Our flavored Re-Lyte is sugar-free and delicious thanks to stevia leaf extract. We chose stevia instead of other natural sweeteners because it's low carb and 0 calorie. Our cells can't do what our bodies need without salt. Most electrolyte drinks use cheap processed salt, which not only tastes bad, but reacts differently in the body in terms of absorption, which means most electrolyte drinks with processed electrolytes can't get the job done. Re-Lyte Electrolyte Mix uses delicious, unrefined real salt brand sea salt, so we can deliver 2 times the sodium and still taste great. We suggest 1 to 3 servings of Re-Lyte per day, depending on your body and lifestyle. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to electrolyte intake. Every body is different. You should pay attention to the signs your body gives you. If you're not getting enough electrolytes, you may experience things like headaches, dizziness, and fatigue. If you're getting too many, you may develop a stomachache or diarrhea. Throughout your day-to-day activities, and especially as you sweat, you lose electrolytes. These essential electrolytes must be replaced since your body can't make them on their own. That's why we love to hydrate with a clean electrolyte mix like Re-Lyte instead of just plain H2O. The natural flavors in Re-Lyte are extracted from real fruit and are as clean as anything you can find on the market.